Here are 5 industries who are desperately paying for AI automation in 2025. And if you are someone who is AI automation builder, or someone who is an agency owner, or who is just trying to grab this AI opportunity or this AI wave and monetize it, then this video is definitely for you. So these industries are having a lot of important use cases which they can utilize if they use the AI automation thing. And these people are the best people, just due to these people are online and not the local service providers, because most of the people are behind the local service providers, which are not the best right now to sell, but these industries are instead. So if you want to know, just be with me along the video. Okay, so yeah, here's the number one thing, which is the coaching and consulting businesses. Why these businesses are best? Because these are people who sell their services online. Okay, these are not dependent upon a specific geography or whatever. Okay, and on the other hand, these people also understand, because they are more towards the online space, they are using multiple online things, so that's why they value more any kind of new thing which is coming than any person who is just building business or doing business in their offline space, in their more physical terms. Okay, so that's why this becomes so much important, this becomes so much ideal client or industry to work with. Okay, and the another reason why they will pay, because these people sell very high ticket products, so they have so much of ROI per client. And if you can help them out with any kind of automation which can help them to make more money or scale this could be a very valuable for them. Then the second thing is their time is limited, but the leverage is so much high, so this can also be automated and it can be scaled and solve this, we can solve this problem. The third thing is they are doing a lot of manual work and repetitive workflows. Okay, so that can easily be solved by this AI automation using Anytime and whatever. Okay, so that's what the thing is. These onboarding, follow up, community questions, and course delivery, these things are so much repetitive, and most of the people are unaware about that, what are the possibilities which they can use using the Anytime and these kind of automations. Okay, and what are the automations makes best for them, or you can say lucrative ideal automations for them. Because this is the fact, I have also made a video on it, that AI automation will going to not going to sell unless you will be attaching it with a real use case with any particular industry or whatever the person is. Okay, so you need to understand that particular industry, and then you need to pitch them according to that this automation will solve your this specific problem. You need to be specific, otherwise no one is gonna pay you for your automation. No one wants a new complex thing. Okay, so that's the thing. So you can sell them these leads using multiple LinkedIn, calendar, or CRM sync up or whatever, or there are some email automations as well, sorry, email outreach, lead generation as well, cold email outreach. So whatever your best automation works best for them, you can pitch or create a simple bundle, and you can sell them, or I can have a discussion about them, that these are the things we can help you with. The next is the AI onboarding assistant, which can, how it works, it will be going to take the DMs and qualifies them and send them the personalized resources to specific DM or whatever. Okay, so these are the automations which can smoothen their onboarding process so much. The another one is the rag bot training on their content and whatever. Okay, so every coaching person, they have some kind of content, some kind of information, so you can train these kind of bots, rag bots, and then can deploy that, and it can easily access the outer internet and other information as well. So it will make them, this automation can be very valuable for them to expand and expand their information and whatever. Okay, so the next one is the payment and invoice flow. So these people mostly usually do follow a simple manual process for sending invoices and collecting the payment, which can easily be automated via Anytime and other basically nodes of other tools and all. Okay, so if you want to know more about these, you can check out my channel, and otherwise there are other basically the internet is full of information, so you can get any kind of information, learn all those things. Okay, the most important thing, if you like my content, please subscribe it. Okay, the next thing is the community auto moderation and the retention triggers. Okay, so these can also be done via anytend and all. So yeah, as a bonus tip, I would like to tell you that you can create some demo systems instead of just directly pitching them. You can create a demo system and can show them that this is the value for it and this is the ROI of it. Nobody would deny if they can see that ROI, but most of the people are selling it generic. They are just pitching it out like the other thing. So what will make your offer different? So that's what the thing is. Okay, the next thing is let me show you this one first. So next is the recruitment and offshore staffing agencies. So these agencies are helping other people, other companies to recruit their best staff. So these people deals with many of the candidates and ton of the repetitive tasks they guys are doing. Okay, they need to scrape multiple of the specific candidates according to their job requirements and all, and these are so exhausting tasks. Okay, these are not easy tasks. Okay, and a lot of manpower is required here. Okay, the next thing is that these deals are high value, really high value. Okay, because these people, not a very small company hire these kind of companies. So these people are helping bigger companies, and for each and every placement they can get 10K to 40K per placement. Okay, and these things can easily be automated, to be frank. Okay, and most of the people are not knowing that what are the things they can sell these people to, and these guys are also not very aware about these kind of automation, because automation is new, whatever you say or whatever the thing is. Okay, so you can leverage this specific thing. You can sell them specific AI sourcing agents, which is the LinkedIn Apollo filter and shortlisting, which will grab the list of multiple candidates according to the JD from the LinkedIn specific URL or whatever, or maybe Apollo. Okay, and you can fill all their basically lists of candidate according to the JD. This could be very helpful for them. The second is the automated candidate pipeline tracker in the Google Sheet or whatever the CRM they are using. So you can use the auto tagging or lead or instead of lead, this is the candidate scoring system according to the JD. And you can also then create some personalized outreach with the role specific to the company matching details, whatever they are looking, and you can send them these personalized messages to these people that if you are interested, you can get back to us, this role is open for you. Okay, and this will solve their most biggest task, that which will take around 7 days or something, to within just, you can say, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours in a day, max to max. Okay, so this could be a very high value addition, because these guys are dealing with a very lot of number. Okay, so that's the thing. The next thing is basically the automated follow-up system sequence decision makers. Okay, so that's what you can do. One new placement, if you can add to their value, their business, this could add this much of value at least. Okay, so this could easily justify if you just ask for 2K to 5K per month in response to that. And the thing is, most of the people are not knowing that how to reach out to these specific people, because that is the important thing. You cannot just say it randomly and you just think like that, yeah, why I'm not it is not selling. You need to be visible, you need to get in front of these people, and then only decide that yeah, this is selling or not. Yeah, and this is selling, and most of the people are thinking like this AI automation is a new scam, but it is not. It is an amazing business opportunity. This is an amazing place where you can start your business. Okay, and even if you are someone who is from any specific niche, you guys can easily reach out to us and we can help you out to create any AI automation. We are helping multiple businesses. Okay, so yeah, the next thing is that the marketing and creative agencies, these niche are also so much lucrative. You can pick it out. So at first I would like to tell you how you would going to find that is what specific niche you should choose. You need to go and pick some 2 to 3 niche, and then you need to check it out by getting in front of them, and then you need to see that which one is working and which one is not, because picking one only niche is not a very great idea at the start. But if you pick maybe 3 niche and you work on all these things, 3 niches specifically, for a period of time, maybe let's say 1 month, and see and really putting out the real work which is needed to get in front of them and pitching them, and then decide that which one is working, which one is not. Okay, this will definitely be going to help you out a lot, that this is what we need, instead of just looking out on the internet that what should I do, which automation, which new automation. This is just a context switching, this is just a shiny object syndrome. So instead, go and pick some niches and start working on it, because these are whichever I'm telling, you could literally start just after this video. Okay, so these people, these marketing and creative agencies, these are also dealing with high client volume and low margins, because the competition is very high. Okay, so this is the very big reason they need automation, because these automations could save a hell lot of time for them. Okay, so most of the time they are wasting on admin tasks only, and which is basically a loss of revenue, because waste every time waste on a task which is not high value for a business, which tasks are high value, the revenue generating tasks. Okay, so any kind of task which are not high value tasks, they are wasting the time on it, they are losing out revenue. You can pitch out some systems which can save a hell lot of time with these AI automations which are evolving. Okay, the most of these are using just disjoint tools, and without a poor workflow, these tools are very disintegrated. So you can make or create a simple flow in these tools. Okay, you can create them specific project management dashboards on ClickUp, Slack, monday.com. There are other tools as well. You can create some intake forms, and send some auto proposal creations and all. And so there is a way I can create a video on it as well, that how these dashboards can save a hell lot of time if you are in any kind of business. Okay, so the next one is the invoice and payment automation. The next one is the asset delivery systems and folder auto organizations. Okay, it can, how it can work, you can just put some new client details in a project management dashboard. It can automatically take the details from the dashboards, and it can automatically send a proposal or invoice, and can collect an automated payment. And then how it works is that these asset delivery and folder can automatically be generated using these details only. And the next one, these are the things which will help them to create a system for their you can say any automated tasks. Okay, for their operational tasks. But you can also help them to lead gen and outreach workflow as well, which can help them to generate more number of leads or more number of clients as well. So yeah, that's what with these marketing and creativity agencies. Now let's come on to this is one of the amazing uh, industry as well. Okay, because most of the people are coming to this thing, because as the AI automation is increasing, AI is increasing, it made so much easy for a person to create some SaaS products. Okay, so that's why the SaaS companies are increasing, and these are very high value leads. Okay, these people are having a long sales cycle, complexity in and human bottlenecks, and Slack overload, so much of the disconnect of the tools. So yeah, the same thing, you can create them, help them to generate some kind of automation which can help them to save their operational tasks easily. Create some proposal and quotation automations, lead generation. Okay, lead qualifications. Okay, and yeah, some kind of bots or whatever the support they can give to their customers or whatever. So these are the things you can help them out. And even if the 5% improvement in their onboarding and retention, because these people are dealing with a very high value ticket, these guys are having very high ticket value. Okay, so ticket size, so that's why even some small retention as well, this can actually add a lot of impact in their workflows, which is a value addition just due to your AI automation thing. You need to just think about how you can add a value in a business, instead of just selling your AI automation, trying to just sell out a new AI automation. So that's the thing, that's the crux of this video overall. So the next is the financial services, fintechs, tax advisory firms. So these are also people who are having a lot of cash which they can deploy to save some of the time and increase their ROI with it using AI automation. But they guys need some solution, and if you will pitch to, and if you will reach in front of them, they are definitely gonna entertain you, they are definitely gonna listen you at least, that what you are saying. And if you have some kind of demo or whatever, you can pitch them and say that yeah, I am going to give you or show you this automation. I will be going to deploy this AI automation for 7 days, and if you like it, you can pay us. Otherwise, this is going to be a trial period for free. Okay, or maybe you can say that what is needed according to what it costs you. Okay, so yeah, according to that you can pick some automations like compliance workflow automation, some document management, some personalized client onboarding, some meeting preparation, some sentiment based churn prevention triggers. Okay, so these are the workflows you need to work upon, that this particular niche I want to work on, and I need to create a package of AI automations which you can sell, you can give or deploy to these specific niche, which is a very heavy value addition, instead of just selling a specific AI automation to a specific person, which is not as valuable. Okay, people are just getting paid only $50, $100, just because they are selling only their AI automations, not the solutions. So that's what the thing is, the market situation is. Yeah, so this is the optional, or I would say a bonus niche. So you can pick some real estate agents, some legal firms, some insurance agent, and you can help them as well, because there are some calling agents you can deploy, and these people need some kind of calling agents, and these can help them so much. Okay, so how these calling agents, these receptionist calling in, maybe that can be inbound, that can be outbound, that can be customer support, whatever. So you can deploy them, and these are very best at calling. Okay, and also not only calling, but also they can book some meetings on your behalf, on the basis of the details the prospect is giving on the call. So yeah, that's what the possibility is right now, and I hope that this video could have given you some idea of how you can sell to these five desperate industries, and sell the AI automation and generate a hell lot of money which you can think of, because this is the fact that this is an opportunity, this is a big opportunity, but if you are not utilizing it, if you cannot see it, you cannot make money out of it. So that's what the reality is, and I hope that this could have given you some idea, and if you are watching till now, till this point, then you have a very great attention span, and if you are you are really serious person. So yeah, really appreciate, I want to appreciate you for that thing, and let me know in the comments if you watched it till the end. And yeah, thank you so much, and I hope you will subscribe and follow me if you like the content. Otherwise, yeah, I will be going to create a lot of content on this channel, similar and more valuable on this specific space, because I am loving it out a lot. So yeah, let's see you in the next video. Thank you so much.